We've all heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice. But is that really true? The answer might surprise you. In reality, lightning absolutely can, and often does, strike the same spot multiple times. Lightning is simply electricity seeking the path of least resistance to the ground. Tall, isolated structures like skyscrapers or communication towers are prime targets. Once a channel is established, especially if the structure is highly conductive, it becomes an even more attractive pathway for subsequent strikes during the same storm or future storms. It's all about physics. So, next time you hear that old adage, remember that nature doesn't play by human rules. Lightning is drawn to efficiency, and if a path works once, it's likely to work again.